Here's our first example, and I'm going to do a couple examples in one. So we have deposits made into account that pays 5% interest, which is a little bit better than you'll find in most of your savings accounts. Find the balance at the end of 5 years if the interest is compounded in these different ways. Now we are going to see that we're going to get similar numbers, similar amounts out of each of these, but there will be a difference. So for part A, we're going to take our equation. The amount that we have in our account will equal the principal times 1 plus our interest rate divided by the number of times we're compounding, all times the number of times we're compounding, and then times the number of years. I think I forgot that in the last piece. So we can expect to have $2,500 times 1 plus 0.05, don't forget to change that to a decimal, over quarterly means that we are going to be compounding the interest 4 times per year. Oops, 4. And then for 5 years, we'll get this to work. All right, and you can put it in your calculator and find out that you're going to get about $3,205.09 out of the account if you compound your interest this way. If we do this monthly, same idea. Only thing that we're going to change is the number of times we compound our interest. In other words, the only thing we're going to change is our n value. If you do this monthly, how many months are there in a year? This is where the change is going to be. When we calculate the interest this way, we will get that after 5 years we will have $3,208.40 in our account at the end of 5 years. C is the most like compound interest, or a continuously compounded interest, that you'll see without it actually compounding every moment. If we talk about daily, then on your average year, we can expect that to happen 365 times. And I would love for you to plug all these in your calculator and verify all these for me. For this one, you'll get about $3,210.01. And if we're going to compound this continuously, this means every single moment, not even just seconds, but every single moment you're going to be compounding your interest, we can expect to get out of that $3,210.06. All right, so we do see a subtle difference between these. It does depend on how your interest is compounded, and obviously the more money you have in your account, the more of a difference you'll see as time passes. Some things to be aware of. I'm not sure if they cover that in your financial lit class or not, but that is our first set of problems. We'll have a couple more that we're going to do before I'm finished.